Hello my dear friends, this is Dr. Rajiv Dhawan, your ENT faculty, and I'm extremely pleased to share with you the launch of ENT Recorded Video Lectures on the DocTutorials app. My dear friends, there are two separate versions available. The version first is for the NEET PG, INICT and the MBBS professional examination. And the second version is for the FMGE examination. The content is specifically curated as per the needs of the student. The idea behind generating this video content is to give you a single-stop solution for the concepts of ENT. I do not have any requirement of you guys to have any prior understanding of ENT. We'll start from the base and go to the pinnacle of the subject of ENT. The only one thing which is required is the utmost desire to learn when you approach these videos. So guys, let's join hands to enhance, to enrich the conceptual knowledge of ENT so that we are able to crack all the questions with confidence and ease and surety in the specific examinations. Best wishes, keep learning.